And for the fourth slide, it is ways to be responsible. So for this one, ways to be responsible, number one is community engagement. So it is about building relationships, empowering people, and working together to create a better future for the community. Community engagement is the process of involving community members in the decision making and planning processes that affect their lives. And it's about building relationship, empowering people, and working together to create a better future for the community. So, community engagement is can take many different forms, but it always about creating opportunities for people to participate in a decision that affect them. So it's like you involving everyone in the decision making. So you are actually gathering their opinions, their suggestions, um, if they want this, what they wanted to add, everything. So community engagement can definitely um, do like a form of public meeting and hearings when people can actually learn about proposed projects, share their feedback, share their opinions. And other thing is survey and polls. We can actually gather information and input from the community sa maraming issue, kung ano-anong mga issues sa isang community. So we can do that by survey and polls. Um, Third one is like focus groups. It's like the discussion specific topics ng mas malalim. So we are engaging opinions, we are talking to everybody, get their points of views, ganon, parang focus group, like parang isang, ano bang tawag dun sa Tagalog, yung meeting na mga pwedeng i-improve ng isang community, mga ganon. The fourth one is volunteer opportunities. So we are actually giving the community to be part of the community projects. Everyone is welcome. Kung sino yung gustong mag mag mag-add ng mga ideas nila, kung sino yung gustong mag-volunteer na gawin itong isang community project. So everyone is welcome. And then the last one is community advisory boards, where people can provide input on ongoing project and programs. So pag may isang mga project, kahit ongoing yon, as long as merong ideyang pumasok na pwedeng ikaganda ng isang project na yon, they can actually put that and add those ideas para maging better ang isang project. So second to ways to be responsible is diversity and inclusion. So diversity and inclusion, or D&I, are two important concepts that are essential for creating a fair and equitable society. Diversity refers to the range of human differences, including race, ethnicity, gender, sexual orientation, religion, age, ability, and socioeconomic status. Inclusion in this practice of ensuring that all people feel welcome and valued regardless of their differences. So ito yung tumata tinatawag natin yung sa diversity and inclusion, yung equality. So kahit ano ka pa, kahit anong klase ka pang tao, mahirap, mayaman, babae, lalaki, bisexual, LGBT, mga ganon, you are all welcome sa isang community na ganito, kasi there's no discrimination. Lahat kasali, lahat included. So, diversity and inclusion is important in a workplace. Like, kunyari, company, manpower company ka. Because it can lead to a number of benefits like increased innovation and creativity. Diverse team bring a wider range of perspectives and experiences to the table, which can lead to more innovative and creative ideas. So, kunyari, i-company mo, manpower, nagdi-dispose ka ng mga tao, employee sa mga company. So, pagka wala kang discrimination, as long as the employee is willing to work, willing to learn, masipag, kaya yung trabaho, tatanggapin mo. Kasi meron kasing, as I've experienced, meron kasing mga company na namimili na merong exemption. So, sana wala nang ganun. Kasi ang isang tao, hindi naman yan mag-a-apply kung hindi kaya yung trabaho or hindi willing matuto. Kasi lahat naman tayo, pag pumasok sa isang trabaho, syempre ang una, hindi mo alam. Kaya nga may training process. So, pag ang isang tao is willing to learn, for sure yun. Kahit hindi niya pa alam yun, basta may willingness to learn, matututo ang isang tao sa isang trabaho. Second one is improved decision making. Diverse team are better able to consider all of the potential consequence of a decision, which can lead to a better decision making. Increase employee engagements and satisfaction. Employees who feel valued and included are more likely to be engaged and satisfied with their jobs. So dito sa section na to, parang company ng manpower kasi it talks about more on employee. Syempre, ang company, kung ikaw well taking care of mo ang mga employee mo, so mas madali silang sumunod sa rules and regulation ng company, gagawin lahat yung trabaho. Hindi ka mahihirapan sa kanila kasi they feel that they are important, they are taken care of, they love, they have their all benefits they need. 'Di ba? So, parang lang yan eh. Pag mahal mo yung empleyado mo, hindi ka mahihirapan sa kanilang ipagkatiwala yung company mo kasi mahal nila yung trabaho nila kasi alam nilang mahal mo sila. Parang ganun. Sa amo yun at saka sa mga trabahador. So last one for this is improved customer service. Either a diverse workforce is better able to understand and meet the needs of the diverse customer base. So parang nagbabago-bago ang pangangailangan ng isang customer. So ang employee mo, hindi mo na kailangan yan turuan kasi as long as mahal nila yung trabaho nila, kilala nila yung customer nila, they're more likely easy to deal with the customer. Kasi naiintindihan nila kung ano yung pangangailangan ng customer at alam nila na kailangan nilang ibigay yung best nila kasi ang feedback nun or ang reflect nun is dung company at saka as a employee.